Hope you guys can see that. That's the parting space we have. So that's looking good. I feel like this is more parting space than the. And then I just had my hair in twist. And then I put it in the ponytail. Usually I'll melt down the cap, but I don't feel like doing all that today. I do have a video of me doing that. I will have it linked up here, so just be looking out for that. Okay, I'm going to spray some Got to Be on there. Okay, you guys, so I don't know if you can see my mirror right here, but I'm just gonna be looking over here just to lay the wig down. So you're just gonna want to make sure the wig cap is over your hair. You don't want to get the Got to Be on there because it can pull your hair out. So you wanna hide as much of your hair as possible. Okay, so let's get into this wig, how it's looking in the inside. So what we got in this wig is 3 combs, and then we got our adjustable straps. Foundation, your colored foundation. We're gonna put it on our cap. Okay, so we're getting on now. You see how that's kind of blending with my skin? So you're wanting to, and so once you have that on your cap, you're just gonna want to get it on the wig now, the wig cap now. So the lace. So we're just gonna try to lace it like this. I'm getting it on my lace. Once you got that on there, what you're going to want to do is bring it forward and lay it down. Bring it forward and lay it down. I feel like I'm not good. second. So it's feeling like it's sticking really good on this side. So what I'm going to do is take my comb and I'm just going to bring it back like this as pressing down. So like this. In a singular motion. Just so we're pushing it down, you know, getting that lace into our scalp. And then what I'm going to do now is, because the edges didn't lay too well, I'm just going to add some more Elesty bead. And then make sure you're holding the lace down. Same thing that I said, pushing that comb into the lace and combing it back. And then as you're doing that, make sure you're pulling your ear out. If you're landing like this with the lace not cut, make sure you pull that ear out. So it's a little better. And then with this hair, with any hair, you should always comb from the bottom on to the next side. Okay, so now we're getting to this side, you guys. So we're just gonna do what we did before. So I got to be on there. Pressing it down, as I said before. It's kind of hard for me to comb like this on this side. I don't know why. But back end, just press it down. Get into that hairline, y'all. Honey, look at that hairline. This is another synthetic wig. Another affordable wig, honey. Another affordable one. I got you. So what I did is cut this in two, and look, so now you're able to cut, now you're able to cut with no problem. And again, you're just gonna want to do that like zigzag-ish. You don't want it to be too straight. You want the line to be a little curvy. So move the scissors as you're cutting. So you're just gonna want to put some more Gatsby on there. So that's what the lace is looking like, you guys, so far. So it's looking bomb, honey, if you ask me. Okay, so you're gonna take your makeup brush, just put it on the lace. Okay, so now we're on to the other side. If you guys wasn't able to see the other side, you're doing the other side. Hopefully you'll be able to see this side. So cut it in 2 sections as I did before with the other one. Hold it up, and then you start to cut in the zigzag way. If you have scissors, if you have a razor, you don't really have to do this. But since I don't have a razor, this is what I have to do. And when you're doing this, make sure when you're spraying on the lace, make sure if you're spraying a little bit above the lace that you hurry up and wipe it off, because it can leave a white mark. So make sure you guys just being careful with that, if that makes sense. Now we get into these baby hairs. So that's what it's looking like before I put the makeup on there. You see that? Blade, honey, blade. Okay, so on to baby hairs, honey, on to the baby hairs. So this is edge control that I'm putting on here. So I just took a little piece from the front with this comb. Take as much as you need. I just take about this much. And then I put my edge control. And then I just swoop it whichever way I'm feeling it at the moment. I like to keep the hair on there because you never know. You may want a different type of baby hairstyle, or maybe you don't want baby hairs anymore at all. So you like to keep that in mind. If you cut those baby hairs permanently, you won't have to keep them. If that makes sense to you guys. I like to do too much with those baby hairs. Or people be having like baby hairs all across. I only think that's for kids. You can't be using too many baby hairs, honey. Okay, we're getting the one over here. This is what they looking like so far. I hate when I get this on my hand, because I feel like I get it all over my hair. Remember, take as much as you want, much as you much as you're going for. Okay, sis, I like these baby hairs, honey. Period. Period. Okay, I'm just gonna go wash my hands. You guys be right back. Go down. So yes. So this is a really nice unit. This is something simple if you're just trying to hurry up and go somewhere, like go to the grocery store, or you know, go out with a friend on a late night or drink or something like that. So this is cute. This is simple. This is it all to the front. This is how it's looking, all of it to the front. And then this is the side of it. So it's pretty soft. This is the other side. This is what the hairline is looking like. That's not my baby hair. So this is what that side is looking like. Now I'm just gonna put some Gatsby just so my edges don't really move. That's funny. So my edges don't move. Yeah. But I need these bad boys to stay, honey. So we got that on there. So this is what this wig is looking like. I feel like this is a nice wig. I like it so far. I will be coming back with a 2-week update. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. If you like the style of this video, let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video. And we added this video, honey. We added this video. Share it out if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you on my next one.